Say just, yeah. You ever had a love that you do anything for? You know, I think I got that love, man. I don't even know if you feeling me right now, but I go to the end of the world for my girl. Let me know if y'all can relate. Check. I pray for us both, yeah, every night. The sake of our love, it keeps me alive. Same shoulder here for you whenever you should cry. Same brother here with you till the moment I die. Oh, whatever you need to show that I care. I look in your eyes and I know you're scared, but I love you with all of my heart and my soul. And I promise that regardless, I promise I'ma be real and go extra just to show you I'm willing. For the sake of our love, I need to know that you care about us. So baby, tell me that you're willing to do the same. I just wanna be sure that we both want the same love, cause there is nothing I won't do for the sake of love, oh love.